Hey guys, welcome to the video.
Fuck man, goddamn bees be chasing me, man.
I'm working on my car.
No, you're not.
I am working on the AC control, fan control, whatever. I got all of these wires soldered back, all the shrink wraps back on there, and I've got this loom to this plug that I still need to do. We'll vacuum up this bad boy, and then we're also going to be doing an oil change on that car. As you guys saw in the last video, when we drove the 240, it was breaking up a little bit. I think that might be because there was too much oil in the car. Do you and Coose want to do me a huge favor? Take out that seat.
Can you get me the things? The wang jangler for the bolt, man.
You're gonna have to use the correct.
The fucking wrench. Alright, it took us forever to find an extension for the last bolt. I got all the three other ones out, and the one that was back here was like super hard to get out. Oh, nope, smaller. It's a 14.
So did you figure it out, Schwab?
Yeah, I just unscrewed two first bolts on the brackets so the seat tilt back hella gangster and then hit them with it. We're getting extended. Oh shit!
Oh, yo, the seat's out.
They're going in the other car.
That's pretty good.
Schwab in the hatch shell, putting in Quentin's old driver's seat because we're gonna use it in this car. It's pretty thrashed, but that's fine.
Yeah, it's got that More Skids sweat in it. It's a collector's item. I'm gonna sell it on eBay.
So, the 240 shell came with this dash in it. This dash has a lot of cracks. We were gonna fix this dash. We're not gonna fix this dash anymore. Got a new dash. So, yeah, we got this new dash, and it's way nicer. Yeah. This one's good.
Fuck! God damn it. 5 minutes after screwing it in, it's not in.
Just give up. It's not gonna stay there. Just give up. Just give up.
Never.
You're gonna lose.
New dash is in the 240. It looks really good. We got everything kind of mocked up. We've got a couple bolts in there just to get it tight, but it looks super good. Still missing the back seats and the rear carpet, but I don't know if I'll ever put those back in, honestly. Just won't use them. But she looks real good. I'm really happy with how everything's turning out. It's pretty badass. I do plan to use a tablet for my dashboard, so I'm waiting to make a custom little plate for that. We'll do that in a different video. I think tablet dash will be good. It's been a little bit, and we started working on the 240 again, and we're pretty sure that it was just overfilled with oil. We took out the dipstick to replace it, and it just started pouring oil out. So we have drained all of the oil out of the 240 and cleaned up the stuff under there. You can see the arms are nice and shiny, and under there kind of wiped everything off. And Dad's tightening the power steering lines right now.
Might help.
Might help a little bit. We're just trying to tighten things up as we see them. One carefully measured out
So
quart.
right here, we were like, that was like half a quart carefully measured.
Carefully measuring about a quart. There
That's
you go.
fucking perfect.
Holy
actually.
shit. Wow.
Glug glug.
Couple of glug glugs and a
glug glugs.
sneeze. We are gonna take the 240 on a quick test drive up and down the street to see if putting fresh oil in it helped with the breaking up issue. When this motor was overfilled last time, it did the same thing. So hopefully this will solve the issue. And if it doesn't, I think we're probably just gonna pull the motor, put it in the other car, and then deal with it after it's in the new car. So it's warmed up. we're gonna give it a couple of rips. We've actually kind of gone up and down the street already. We're not sure if it's cleared up or not yet. It did a couple of times. It did a couple of pulls that were really good, and then it did a couple where it broke up. So we're not totally sure what's going on yet. It works! Holy shit, that's a fast car. Wow! She rips, boys. She rips. She rips. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get this into the garage. So, the 240 now has fresh oil. It's got a fresh oil filter. We tightened up a couple of things under the car. We tightened up a couple of hoses under the hood. Put a new interior in this car. Vacuumed it all out. Got it looking nice. Got a new driver's seat in there. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use for a passenger seat, but I'm not totally sure about what I want to do yet. In the next video, we're going to be moving on to the front of the car, and I think we're going to start to get these bad boys out of here. We are going to be tubbing this engine bay, trying to get it nice and good looking, ready for a JZ, ready for some big wheels and some big angle in the front. And yeah, we're also going to chop it a bit so that she's ready to get low. So hopefully you guys are excited for that video. Stay tuned, and see you in the next one.
And then, you know, they're gonna die. So that's why they got big dick energy. Half of their bodies getting ripped out of their butt.